Hi! Hello! Happy 4th of July! Nandito po kami sa Lake Comanche, South Shore. Here in, what's this place, Lana? Waterloo or Ione, California. So anyway, ito po yung annual camping namin every year with the whole family. Okay, thank you for watching po. Enjoy my video. Okay, ito po yung area namin. Dito po kami nagka-camping every year. Ayan po, the whole family. Molik family, Kata family, and the grandkids, great grandkids rin po. Nandito po lahat. Ayan po, ito po yung kusina namin. Ayan, nagluluto na naman sila for lunch time.
Yeah, so just stay right.
Oh, Michelle's here?
At the entrance?
Ito po.
So there are they? Can they go in? Because I think
Yeah,
they might have to.
day trip, right?
No, they might have to overflow.
Ayan po sila. Oh, tingin-tingin kayo dyan, mga cooks. Hello, ayan po sila, mga sister ko. Ito po, magsisinigang kami ngayon. Ayan, mga pamilya ko.
Basta may kangkong.
Brother-in-law ko, apo ko. Ayan po kaming lahat.
Yaman, Kenny. Babalen.
Every year po, dito po kami nagka-camping.
Every once in a year.
Oh, hi ne.
Hi.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi sa
Say
lahat
hello.
ng nanonood. Mag-enjoy kayo.
Hi.
Sana lagi kayong sumusuporta.
Thank you for the support. Ano?
Okay, salamat sa
Ayan po, oh, ang dami namin pagkain. Mangga, kamote, saging pala. Oh, what's that, May? Is that kamote cube? Maybe for halo-halo, no? Mayroon pa pang halo-halo. Ayan po, fried rice.
Oh, you wanna see the corn?
Bless you!
The corn.
Oh, corn. Corn. Ah, that's a corn. Akala ko sinigang niya. Patingin muna.
No,
Ayan
that's
po.
the corn.
May nilaga kaming corn. Ayan. Corn pala. Akala ko pang sinigang na kanina yan eh. Hindi pa pala. Hindi pa pala pag sinigang. Ayan po ang area namin. Today po mga ano kami lahat. 50 plus. From grandma to kids to grandkids to great grandkids. Ayan po sila. Ayan po yung mga campingan namin, mga tents. Yan, kanya-kanyang tent. Happy Independence Day po pala. Happy 4th of July 2025. So ito po, may sampayan pa kami dito. Sampayan ng mga tuwalya. Oh, Lana, there's a duyan here, Lana. Yeah. Hammock. Ayan, si Lola, si mother ko. Nandyan. Balik po tayo dito. Ayan ang tent. Oh, so he could see it, Hana. So, okay. Ayan po kami.
It's ready.
Hello again. Thank you for watching po. Please enjoy my my video. Please like, share, and comment. Bye.
Subscribe,
Say bye again.
like, subscribe, comment below. What's your favorite camp food?
Canned food?
Camp food.
Oh, camping. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And also comment below if you shower at camp or not, because I don't.
Okay, that's my nephew, Glenn.
That's right.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.